Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Wizz golden coins. So as you can see right there, I have 100 of everything. 100 boosts, 100 super chats, and 100 bulk chats, and 100 admirers. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's a modded version of Wizz, guys. I'm going to show you exactly to download. So just keep watching the video, guys. This does work. It is super insane, guys. And you don't have to jailbreak your device or do anything annoying like that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download. So let's get right into the video. It's totally updated, guys. It's time to try this method out for yourself. So let's go. Alright, so as you can see, I got 100 boosts, 100 super chats, 100 bulk chats, 100 admirers, all this cool stuff with this Wizz modded version. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you want to do is get in your browser. We're going to go to the search bar and we're literally just going to type in Wizz Mod. So once this comes up, guys, go over to the site, go to search bar, type Wizz. So as you can see, it says Wizz free coins or whatever. So Wizz Mod. So just press on that, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out. And as you can see, guys, if we go to the App Store, you will see that if we type in Wizz, it's super expensive, bro, so it's not even worth it. So as you can see, guys, we go to Wizz app and we go to in-app purchases. Look how expensive it is. Dang, $6.99, $19.99. This is a joke, bro. So don't get involved in this. It's not worth it. Hey, if you want to be cool, you can be cool. All we gotta do is go to Wizz Mods, basically, and go to the search bar and just type in Wizz Mods. And then once the site comes up, guys, we're just gonna go to the search bar and type in Wizz. So as you can see, it says Wizz Mods. Just press on that, and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is updated, guys. It's super insane. It actually works. It's so cool. I love Wizz. I don't love the crap, like, you know, having to pay for all this stuff. But as you can see, I got 100 boosts, 100 super chats, 100 bulk chats, 100 admirers. So I'm not really in trouble. So yeah, this actually works, guys. It's super insane. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. I mean, this is super cool, guys. Literally all we gotta do, guys, is just go to the search bar, type in Wizz Mods. Once it comes up, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Wizz, and then you should be all set, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super insane, guys. I haven't had to jailbreak my device to do anything annoying like that. So super cool, guys. It's totally updated. I hope you guys like the video, though, so be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out, because it's super insane. It actually works, guys. It's pretty crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.